Okay, nah. Alright. So I gotta play a different thing because TikTok doesn't post that type of stuff anymore. So hooray! Okay, let's play. Pop, pop, pop music. I literally can't hear anything. Let's see if we can take off on here. If I do, this is gonna be crazy. Alright, we're level! We're gonna go to the main island, so, I don't know. Pop, pop, pop music, pop, pop, pop music. And your radio. Oh, shoot. Alright, y'all ready? Buckle in your seatbelts. We going straight up. We climbing like crazy. No, we're dying. We're dying. I'm sorry, everybody. Hey, I got this. Sensitivity is probably crazy, but hey, we straight. Mm. 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 Doo, doo, doo. Here's what to do if one of your engines just fail. Don't panic. Keep the plane going straight. Turn around. Because you're never far away from an airport. And then you're going to put him on the plane and land to the nearest airport. See? One engine is gone. We're going to the nearest airport. Autopilot got this. Boot up, do 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 do. Do 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 do. Don't you, baby shark, do 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 do. I'm about to get like a me. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in front of this airport, hit a quick turn, and then we're gonna land. That's what we're gonna do. See, autopilot got this. Now, if the other engine falls, you're good. You're cooked. You're done. You're done. You're done. The autopilot can't possibly save this. Just brace for impact. Just land on the ground anywhere. Safely. Safely. This sensitivity is crazy. Oh my gosh, we're about to crash. We're about to crash. This sensitivity is crazy. Oh my goodness. Don't never fly upside down when your engines are off. I got this. Both of my engines are off, so and out terrain. Break. Oh, this is tricky. This is tricky. Contact. Maximum braking power. We landed! See? I'm a great person for real. I can land a plane. Not in real life, though. I can land a plane in real life. Jump. I said jump. Woo. Make sure all my stuff good. I don't have anything. Where did my luggage go? Where did it go? Like, did you take my luggage? Uh-uh. Tell me the truth. Then I'll let you free. You don't let me free? Okay, I took you. I'm sorry. That's all you had to say. Just spending another hour in here. No, bro, please. I don't want to spend another hour where you are. Alright. Stop all this. Fuck ground landing. You don't need no flaps. Especially if you in a small plane. Small planes don't need flaps. Just let it fly. Fly. Just fly. Just fly. See? Just glide. Let's see if autopilot can get through it. Oh my goodness. We was going quick. Now we're going bleak. Lit, 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 lit. And all I hear is a big. What the happened? You want to do a dance with me? You want to do a TikTok dance with me? Who you on the phone with? This hairy bald guy.
Dude, that's not even a guy. That's a girl.
That look like a hairy bald guy.
Dude, it's not. She just took her hair out. Oh, she don't go for my face.
Is that Rain? Why do he look like Rain? Of course he moved to China. That's where Trump is. That look like Cardi B. Our family. Do, do, do. Our family. Dun, dun, dun. Did we land already? We landed. Alright, that's in the end of the video.